What's up and welcome to the Station Bakery. If you are new here, I'm so happy that you have decided to join us for today's video. We are going to be opening up these boxes so I can share with you all what I just recently purchased from Amazon. Now, this is not everything that I've ordered. I'm still waiting for a few items to come in. But we just gonna... Oh, thank you. All right, so we're gonna open up this first video that my little one just bought. It's like this pull tab. Oh, okay. This one actually isn't for y'all, but I'll share it anyways. But this is some double butter buttercream by As I Am, because you know your girl gotta get her, we gotta get our hair straight. But it ties into my channel with baking because you know we eat the buttercream and now we put in the buttercream on our hair. But anyways, let's move forward. Let's get to the stuff that actually matters, the things that actually matter, that you actually want to see. I have an idea of what might be in here, but I'm not fully certain. So, oh no. I did not think that through, y'all. And I just cut straight through. I hope that's not something that I need, because I literally just cut straight through it. I wasn't even, oh my goodness. I wasn't even thinking. Okay, let's get this open and let's see. Hopefully that wasn't, I can't believe that. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh, okay, no, we're good. This is just more packaging. Y'all, don't be like me. Don't just, if you see how to hang it out, don't just cut through it. Don't just cut through it. But I'm so glad. It's just filler. Okay. So let's see what's in here. Ah, yes. Okay. So the first thing, Easter baskets. So, yeah. Easter basket. So I'm gonna be doing something pretty cool and awesome. Comment below if you think you know what I'm gonna be doing with these Easter baskets. I'll post the information and everything here on the screen so you can see how much they cost and how many come in a pack. But aren't these so cute? It's like perfect variety of colors: purple, orange, yellow, green, pink, and blue. Yeah, I think we're gonna have some fun with these. Now we're gonna open this box. I'm gonna be gentle this time. Cutting it open. Okay, so this box has a few things inside of it. So the first is this, and what this is, they are Easter baskets that you pull and you build together. So yeah, these are made out of paper and they're much smaller than these other Easter baskets. So I got two different ones because I wanted to test something out to see which one I would like the best. But yeah, I'll put a picture, since it's enclosed, you can't really see. I'll put a picture of what these actually look like here on the screen along with the price. Okay, the next thing I have this chocolate. I think you can probably use it for fondant too. But this is a pack of molds. I got some letter molds. You can't really see inside of here. But it's a pack of 3. And they have, oh how cute. They come with little baggies too. Oh, that's cute. I didn't know that this was gonna be in here, but that is so cute. We can use that. But yeah, it's these little chocolate letter mold. So I'll be using this for another project that's coming up. Again, comment below what you think I'm gonna be doing with these. Also, let me know your thoughts of what you would do with them. Okay, so that's that. We're gonna put that to the side. Oh, also, let me put it here in pose. Gonna put the price on here. Okay. Easter egg molds. Can you guess what I'm gonna be doing with these? Do you have any idea? Do you know? Comment below and let me know. But anyway, so yeah, it comes with a pack of 2. So cute, so cute. Now pose for the price. All right. Okay, so I also ordered a pack of these little mini paint palettes, and they are perfect. I wasn't sure how big they were gonna be, but this is absolutely the perfect size that I need. Again, can you guess what I might be doing with this? Drop your guesses below. Drop them below, y'all. But they're these cute little paint palettes. I love these. They are so cute. So cute. There's actually quite a few ideas that I have that you could do with this. Quite a few ideas. But pose for the price. All right. And the last thing inside of this box are some little pipettes. Got these little pipettes. I already know what y'all be doing with these pipettes. I already know what y'all be doing. But I'm not gonna be doing that though. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that with these. Aha! So let me know what you think I'm gonna be doing with these pipettes. I think it came like, oh, it's a pack of 60. And drop the price right here. But yeah, just a simple regular little plastic pipettes. What y'all think I'm gonna use these for? Not what you see everybody else use them for. That's not what these are gonna be used for, not at all. All right, let me put this stuff back in the box. That's our second box. Y'all, we only have one box left, but that's good because I don't want this to be a long video for y'all. I literally just want to show you what I have and feel some excitement around what y'all think is coming. What do you think is coming? Comment below and tell me if you think you know. I'm 100% sure that none of y'all are gonna guess, but how about we do this? Let's see, what can we do? If any of you can guess let me see, how can we do this? If any of you can guess what I'm gonna be doing, I'll shout y'all out in my next video. How about that? Let's do that. If anyone guesses something right of what I'm doing, I'll shout y'all out. I'll shout you out, okay, on my next video. So comment below your thoughts and your guesses. And let's open this last box. This is a big one. And y'all, I really don't remember what I bought. This one can just pop open because it's already broken. Let's see. Let me use these other boxes so I can prop it up so you can see. And I hope everything that I've been recording is in frame and looks right because you kind of can't go backwards. You can't go backwards on this. So fingers crossed that you saw everything. If not, everything will also be listed in my stories on Instagram. By the way, if you have not followed me yet on Instagram, go ahead and do so at The Station Bakery. You can also follow me on TikTok, on Facebook. You can find me on Etsy. You can find me on Pinterest. Everything at The Station Bakery. The only thing that I don't have is Snapchat and Twitter, but I think I have everything else. So yeah, so go find me and go follow me, okay? All right, let me stack this up so I can be sure that y'all can see. I want y'all to see it all. I want you to see it all. All right, hopefully you can see this. So let's pop this out. Yeah, y'all. Some Easter eggs. We got some Easter eggs. So of course we know that all of this has to do with Easter time, right? So we're gonna be doing some Easter themed fun treats and desserts. That's what my littles, they're so excited. But yes, we have some Easter eggs. And again, comment below what you think we're gonna be doing with these. I don't remember how many came. It's 100 Easter eggs. All different colors. Let me know what you think. Oh, pose for the price. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. And the last thing, oh, this part is heavy. I don't remember what this is, but it's heavy. Okay. Let's play a game. What do you think is inside of this bag? Bless you. Oh, okay. Now I remember. Now I know I remember. Oh, that's cute. It comes with some ribbon. Okay, so this is actually a set for, this is a type of packaging. This is a type of packaging. Oh, and that's another thing. Y'all get ready because I have a lot of packaging ideas that's coming up for you. I know that y'all love packaging. So I got a lot of packaging ideas that's gonna be coming up in my videos. I hope you can hear that because my girls are ruffling those poppable things in the background. So hopefully you can hear me, but if not, I'm gonna raise my voice just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. So like I was saying, hey girls, after the video. So we're gonna have a lot of packaging things coming up in my videos. Pretty much everything that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you some ideas on how you can package it. So I know y'all gonna love that. I know you're gonna love that. But this is one of the packaging ideas that I'm gonna be doing and sharing. As you can see, I don't remember, what is this material called? I don't really remember what this material is called, but I'll put the information here and in the description box for you below. And then this is like the board base. A lot of DIY build put together items, but I think that they're gonna be so cute for what I'm gonna be using them for. They're gonna be so cute. So that's what's in that. And like I said, I have a few more packages that are coming, but they're just running behind. You know, we were affected by the storm. And so it just kind of delayed some things. But I'm still not complaining. Amazon is still great. Amazon is still awesome and amazing. This actually came before it was expected to come because everything was delayed because of that storm. But yeah, like Amazon is like the way to go. This is not sponsored by them. This is just my genuine, honest, 100% true thoughts and opinions. We do have Amazon Prime, and I think that that's what helps it to be super great. Like I can literally order something and get it like the same day. Like if I order it early enough, I can get it like today, right? And tomorrow. I think the longest that like I wait on like normally is like 2 or 3 days, but like it usually comes like the next day. Like, so that's why I love Amazon. I'm a big fan of Amazon, and that's just what works for me and my business and the things that I do. So check that out. Take a look into it. I'll drop the link below for you to check out if you want to sign up for Amazon Prime, or if you already have an account, great. But this is just what I use, you know. I'm all about sharing the ideas and passing along the things that I learn and the things that I find and know. So that's that. All right, guys, and so that is it for this Amazon haul unboxing. I hope you saw some things in here that's going to get you really excited for what's coming up. I am going to be using some things that I already have as well. And actually, after this video, like, turn on your notifications because I'm about to be dropping like a lot of videos like back to back to back to back to back to back to back. So you don't want to miss it. I'm gonna have a lot of content for you to watch and stream. Also keep up with me on Instagram and Facebook in my stories because I'm gonna be dropping a few things there as well. If y'all have any questions or anything, please remember to comment below. I just be talking, y'all. Sometimes I just be talking and then like it just be gone. It just be gone. But anyways, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to comment them below or send me a message on Instagram. I love to talk to y'all and love to connect with y'all one-on-one personally. So go ahead and do that. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure that you give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you think about everything that's in here, what ideas you have. And yeah, until the next time, peace. Peace.